First, the news headlines. President of UCM appeals to all to fight together to save motherland. 𝐁𝐸𝐬's director Professor L. Devan extends 40,000 rupees financial help to renal patient 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬. And one cookie killed, 2 others injured in local med IED explosion in Churachandpur district. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐲𝐶𝐬 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. President of United Committee Manipur UCM, 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬 has called upon the people of the state to fight together to save the motherland. He said this to the media persons on the sidelines of a sit-in stage in front of the UCM office at Lamphilpat today, condemning the actions of UCM office by unknown miscreants on February 24. Expressing strong condemnations over the burning down of UCM office, 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬 further said, UCM is an apex body established in 2001 after the unprecedented ceasefire agreement signed between the proscribed NSC and IM and the central government in Bangkok in 2001. Further contending that the attack at the office of UCM, which has been the harbinger in protecting the integrity of the state, is highly condemnable. He questioned as to what wrong has the committee has ever done. 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬 continued that ever since its inception, UCM has been working for the welfare of the people, to usher in peace and unity and protect the integrity of the state. He also questioned the reason behind the burning of important documents related to the war waged by Chin Cookie narco terrorists since May 3rd last, and lamented that many documents of the state which can never be retrieved have also been burnt down on the night of the February 24th.
United Committee Manipur apex organization UCM may current Gidamakta Nasi Mungaita Fungo in a Wakan Conservani Aduga. United Committee Manipur 2001 Bangkok the Tonaki sees Fire Edinada without the Niang the home the same Manipur Amatanga apex organization Amokoiba UCM may Karama say Akoy Tamoy Sena from idea Nasi Miam the Tamde Kahino Hamatamda I got Manipur the apex organization by UCM Nasi Miam the Karinan Nasi Kompra Manipur the people's but the reason I couldn't fall of a Taranke Atowa 𝐂𝐤𝐰𝐬 I could motto peace, unity and integrity. I could give main objective to protect the traditional boundary of Manipur.
Director of 𝐁𝐸𝐬's Professor 𝐿 Devan through Relief Committee 𝐁𝐸𝐬 extended 40,000 rupees financial aid for medical treatment of 𝐿 𝐷𝐸𝐬, a patient of chronic kidney failure disease. 𝐷𝐸𝐬, an internally displaced person due to the ongoing crisis taking shelter at Leimaram Relief Camp, has been undergoing treatment at 𝐁𝐸𝐬 since May 24th. To add to our miserable condition, her father also passed away recently. Chairman of Relief Committee 𝐁𝐸𝐬's 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 Bon Kurai expressed gratitude to all the Samaritans, including Director of 𝐁𝐸𝐬's, for the assistance they extended for treatment of 𝐷𝐸𝐬. The committee urged willing individuals to continue extending their help at GPA number 81328-27565, username 𝐿 𝐷𝐸𝐬, mother of the patient.
𝐁𝐸𝐬's director Professor 𝐷𝐸𝐬 𝐁𝐸𝐬 𝐷𝐸𝐬 madi kidney ani transplant tawdaba sigi mateng oina policy ni fu masi bibirami daily committee through bibirami masi damakta koina 𝐁𝐸𝐬's director 𝐿 𝐷𝐸𝐬 𝐁𝐸𝐬's committee ni mai kai degi thagaro proposal.
At least one village volunteer was killed and 2 others were wounded in Bombi bomb explosion caused by mishandled bomb at 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐬 village in 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 district around 1:40 last afternoon. The deceased volunteer has been identified as Pauminlun Haukip, 35 years of age, son of 𝐁𝐫𝐤𝐬 of Khungpi Nosen under Hanglap subdivision, while the injured have been identified as Kupthang, 36 years of age, of T. Phaijiang Churachandpur and T.L. Gems of Saitol. The injured person have been admitted to Churachandpur District Hospital. Convener of Apunba Mayapaibi Hairok, Thokchom Sandiarani, lamented that the recent incidents in the state, which seems to be taking real problems in the opposite directions amidst the ongoing crisis, have extremely disappointed the mothers. Addressing media persons at a press meet held at Pravu Achauwa Mandop at Hairok Patu Bazaar today, Sandiarani said, many unexplained incidents have taken place between armed groups in the recent past. Only a few days ago, confrontation has erupted between Arambai Tengol and the state force. Stating all these unwanted incidents amidst the crisis have created confusion among the common people, she maintained that the inactions of the government has led to all these unwanted incidents. Sandiarani contended that the people cannot help but suspect if all these incidents are intentional and created by the government to distract people from the urgent need of the hour, as the incidents occur whenever any important decision is to be taken. She also maintained that such incidents are bound to happen and may continue as the government is spineless. Stating that people are well aware of who Arambai Tengol and state force are, Sandiarani said that many organizations of the state will bifurcate if such frustrating incidents continue taking place in the state. Sandiarani further denounced that people of Manipur have never suffered before like today under the leadership of Chief Minister N. Birain.
ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯈꯟꯗꯣꯛꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯅꯣ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯈꯟꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯃꯝꯅꯕꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯛꯏ ꯏꯀꯨꯏ ꯀꯨꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯨꯛꯅꯕ ꯁꯟꯗꯥꯅꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯌꯦꯟꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯂꯝꯂꯥ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯟ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯃꯤꯆꯝ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯔꯥꯝꯕꯥꯏꯒ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯀ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯁꯪꯗꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯜꯂꯦ ꯂꯝꯂꯥ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯟ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯇꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯕꯤꯅꯣꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯁꯣꯟꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ
ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯃꯤꯅ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯝꯖꯔꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯕ ꯀꯔꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯨꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯍꯩꯔꯣꯛ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯊꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯠꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯔꯥꯞꯄꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯇꯦ ꯁꯨꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯆꯩꯊꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯅꯪꯂꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗꯗꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯦꯕ ꯀꯔꯃꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯞꯆꯤꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯈꯔꯗꯪ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯄꯤꯜꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
Situation in the state remained tense with congregations of protesters at several locations but was under control during the last 24 hours between February 29th and March 1st. A report from Manipur Police Control Room said. The report said such operations and area domination were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hills and valley districts. During the search operations, one improvised mortar launcher, 3 mortar explosive bombs, 3 primary cartridges were recovered from Kangpokpi district, 1.38 pistol with magazine, 10 improvised explosive devices, country-made, 3 number 36 hand grenade, 85 rounds 7.62 into 33 mm carbine machine ammunitions, 10 7.62 into 39 mm AK live ammunitions, 2.38 pistol ammunitions were recovered from Tengnoupal district. On the other hand, movement of 347 and 290 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2, respectively, with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations, and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 133 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 163 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. With an aim to provide livelihood for the internally displaced people, Manipur Seva Samiti, in association with Seva Bharati Manipur and Humanism Foundation, has conducted skill development and livelihood training at Mangolnganbi College Relief Center, Ningthaukhong yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, executive member of RSS Manipur Pranta Laistram, Zatra, said that life is a journey filled with both highs and lows. He urged the IDPs to draw upon their inner strength and persevere during challenging times. The training was aimed at providing the fundamentals of becoming an agri-entrepreneur with minimal investment. Laistram Zatra said, Ningombam Chinkamba, a successful mushroom grower who attended the training as special invitee, said that mushroom cultivation is one of the best options to earn livelihood. Regardless of one's educational background and social status, one can become a successful mushroom grower. On the other, CEO of Losang Farmers Producer Company Limited, 𝐿𝐶𝐸, who attended the training program as a research person, shared insights into the art of mushroom cultivations and the keys to become a successful grower. Bisnupur district functionaries of RSS Manipur Pranta, Thokchom Ningthem, Namairakpam Samorjit, officials of Losang Farmers Producer Company Limited, K. Bunbun, Namairakpam Samorjit, and Managing Trustee of Humanism Foundation, Dr. Wahengbam Rocky Chand, also attended the training program. Let us take a quick break.
Welcome you all to UNAPA School Challenge in Far East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko lori na hinlibasing tamagi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu tamagi manungda hantaba ngamle. Kung hamanungay tebasu numit mga nigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile sabadi nungsan nabasu jama de jama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu tamagi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oibasu tamagi manungda fagat han bangamle. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makalna laing jabani. Hakjang da sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak jabagi mathosu tararoy. Hena kumaparo gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Lekay Ayangpali Road opposite Carquinos Jennings Hospital, Porompat, Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. In different operations conducted on 29 February 2024, alert troops of BSF Meghalaya successfully thwarted illegal smuggling attempts along the India-Bangladesh border in Meghalaya by seizing sugar, medicines and Indian currency. A press release from PRO BSF Meghalaya said, acting on a tip-off, the BSF troops conducted a special operation near Kanta Junctions in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. During the operation, the BSF seized over 15,000 kgs of sugar meant for smuggling to Bangladesh. Unidentified miscreants hiding in the jungle hurled stones and verbally abused the BSF personnel while they were retrieving the seized items. Fortunately, no personnel sustained any injury, but the BSF vehicle got damaged. The confiscated sugar was handed over to the local police station for further necessary legal actions, the release said. In another operation, the BSF troops from the border area of BOP Nalzuri seized a huge quantity of medicines worth 14 lakh rupees, which were being smuggled to Bangladesh from the international border of West Gentia Hills, Meghalaya. On the other hand, the BSF troops of BOP Rajapara 193 Battalion BSF detected some suspicious movements of Bangladeshi miscreants near IBBF on the Bangladesh side. When BSF troops challenged the miscreants, they fled away towards Bangladesh by taking advantage of darkness, hilly terrain and thick vegetation. On searching the area, BSF troops recovered a bag containing Indian currency amounting to over 7 lakh rupees. The seized Indian currency was handed over to Gumagat police station and an FIR was lodged for a further investigation. The seized Indian currency is suspected to be linked to payments for smuggled goods from India to Bangladesh, the press release from the PRO stated. Martin Irengbom from Manipur clinched the title of Mega Mr. Northeast 2024. Martin Irengbom emerged victorious at the ITA Cultural Complex in Guwahati, bringing hope amidst the 10-month conflict in the Northeast region as he beat competitors in the contest held on March 1st. Indian Army on Thursday felicitated B. Thamphasana, who won Manipur a bronze medal at the Khelo India National Wushu Women's League, which was held recently from February 24 to 27 last in Ranchi. PRO Defense in a press release said, the budding and talented 19-year-old player from parents, it said. Thamphasana was felicitated by the army at Setupur village. This act underscores Indian Army's unflinching resolve to nurture talent and provide resources for youth of the region, it added.
February 24 to 27 lo pangthokhiba Ranchi senior women league ta ai bronze medal lawjari Khelo India gi women league ni asida ai akoi gi sanaroi sing mayam chatpa matamda bronze kaya lawduna ball kaya lawduna akoi na team chepel leraki masi sigida akoi ai gi damakta mati pangbirakhiba Indian Army sarbu thagalwai phongdokjari.
Union Cooperation Minister Amit Shah today launched the National Urban Cooperative Finance and Development Corporation Limited, NUC-FDC, the umbrella organization for the urban cooperative banks in New Delhi. This initiative aims to modernize and strengthen the urban cooperative banking sector, which will benefit both the banks and their customers. Speaking on the occasion, Amit Shah called upon all stakeholders of the cooperative banks to focus on modernization and expansion to ensure resilience in a competitive market. He expressed confidence that the organization will develop an urban cooperative bank in every town under the one town-owned urban cooperative bank. The minister emphasized the need for cooperation between stakeholders for moving forward. He said that inclusive economic development of the country is only possible through urban cooperative banks. He said that the cooperative movement should be made relevant and ensure that it reaches the last mile. He appealed to urban cooperative banks to complete the target of the pent-up capital within 1 year to ensure trustworthiness. The minister also stressed that statistics cannot be the only parameter to measure growth. It is important to find out the increase in people's participation in the Jennings Director Professor L. Devin extends 40,000 rupees financial help to renal patient Devia. And one cookie killed, 2 others injured in local med IED explosion in Churachandpur district. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.